Casey from Kaising Aluminum. Today, I would like to discuss about what is the role of aluminum part take in the new energy vehicle industry. With the rapid development of the new energy vehicle industry, lightweight, longer battery lifetime can become the pursuit of new energy company. The application of aluminum part in new energy vehicle is a key to achieve automobile lightweight.
Let's show you the mode and features of our machining process in the field of new energy auto parts. At present, the new energy auto parts we produce for our customers are battery tray, motor housing, aluminum guard bar, inverter heatsink, luggage rack, battery end plate. Greyless turning technology is already used in mass production. The surface after greyless turning is enabled to reduce the cost of rotor shaft machining. At the meantime, higher feet per revolution allows extremely short circle times. The advantages and effects of the blade tools used by Kaising on the turning machine as below. Lightweight, small interference size. Excellent clamping accuracy could be well obtained after the cutting blade rotating by 90 degrees in the direction of installation. The whole processing is able to fully meet the needs of our customers.